Ever feel like your money just disappears? One minute it's there, the next it's gone, and you're left wondering where it all went? We've all been there. The endless cycle of payday excitement followed by budget anxiety is a tale as old as time. But what if there was a way to take control, to finally understand where every single pound, dollar, or euro is going? What if you could spend smarter, save more, and actually achieve those financial goals you've been dreaming of? For millions of people worldwide, Monzo has become more than just a bank, it's a financial game changer. It's a tool that empowers you to see your money in a whole new light, to spend consciously, and to build a healthier relationship with your finances. And today, we're diving deep into one of Monzo's most powerful features, setting spending budgets. Now, you might be thinking, budgets? Ugh, sounds boring. Sounds restrictive. And you wouldn't be alone. The word budget often conjures images of spreadsheets, complex calculations, and a whole lot of deprivation. But Monzo's approach to budgeting is different. It's intuitive, it's visual, and dare I say it, it can even be a little bit fun. We're talking about taking the stress out of money management and replacing it with clarity, control, and confidence. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of setting up your first budget in Monzo, let's take a moment to understand why budgeting is so crucial. It's not about telling you what you can't do, it's about enabling you to do more of what you want to do. Want to save for that dream vacation? A new car? A deposit on a house? Budgeting provides the roadmap. It helps you identify where your money is currently flowing, often to places you didn't even realize, and then allows you to redirect it towards your aspirations. Think of it as shining a spotlight on your financial habits, both good and bad, so you can make informed decisions. The beauty of Monzo's budgeting lies in its simplicity and its real-time insights. Gone are the days of waiting for a monthly statement to see where your money went. With Monzo, every transaction is categorized, and your budget updates instantly, giving you an always-on snapshot of your financial health. This immediate feedback loop is incredibly powerful. It helps you catch overspending before it spirals out of control and empowers you to make adjustments on the fly. All right, enough preamble. Let's get to the good stuff. How do we actually set up these magical budgets in Monzo? First things first, open up your Monzo app. If you don't have it already, well, what are you waiting for? Download it from your app store and get yourself set up. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be glad you did. Once you're in the app, you'll see your main feed. This is where all your transactions appear. To access your budgeting tools, you'll want to tap on the Summary tab at the bottom of the screen. The Summary tab is your financial dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your spending, your income, and your remaining funds for the month. It's a fantastic starting point to understand your current financial situation. Now, to dive into setting up budgets, you'll notice a section often labeled Spending or This Month. Tap on that. This will bring you to a more detailed breakdown of your spending by category. Monzo automatically categorizes most of your transactions, but you can always change them if they're incorrect. This is a crucial step for accurate budgeting, so make sure your categories are as precise as possible. For example, if you buy groceries, it should be in groceries, not general. At the top of this screen, you'll see a bar showing your overall spending for the month against your total income or a custom budget you've already set. Below that, you'll see individual categories like groceries, transport, eating out, bills, and so on. To set a budget for a specific category, simply tap on that category. Let's say we want to set a budget for groceries. Tap on Groceries. On this screen, you'll see your spending in that category for the current month. You'll also see an option to set budget for this month or set spending target. Tap on that. Now, Monzo will prompt you to enter the amount you want to allocate to this category for the month. This is where you need to be realistic but also aspirational. Think about how much you currently spend on groceries, and then consider if you can reasonably reduce that amount. Maybe you aim to cut down on impulse buys or try meal prepping more often. Let's say you decide you want to spend £300 on groceries this month. Type in 300 and confirm. Congratulations! You've just set your first category budget in Monzo. You'll now see a clear visual representation, a bar showing your progress against your £300 budget. As you spend on groceries, this bar will fill up, giving you a real-time indication of how much you have left. Repeat this process for all the categories you want to budget for. I highly recommend starting with the categories where you know you tend to overspend or where you want to gain more control. Common ones include eating out. This is often a huge budget buster for many people. Transport, fuel, public transport, taxis, it all adds up. Entertainment, cinema tickets, subscriptions, nights out. Shopping, clothes, electronics, impulse buys. Personal care, haircuts, toiletries, beauty products. As you set each budget, you'll notice the overall spending bar at the top of your summary section starting to take shape. This top bar represents your total budgeted spending for the month. But what if you want to set an overall budget for your entire disposable income, not just category by category? Monzo has you covered. Back on the main summary screen, you might see an option to set a spending target or set a budget for your income. Tap on this. Here, you can input your total monthly income or the amount of money you want to allocate for your discretionary spending after essential bills are paid. Monzo will then help you stay within that overall limit by showing you how much you have left to spend across all your non-bill categories. One of Monzo's most brilliant features is its ability to learn from your spending habits. As you use the app and categorize your transactions, Monzo gets smarter about suggesting budgets for you. Don't be afraid to adjust your budgets as you go. Budgeting isn't a one-and-done task, it's an ongoing conversation with your money. If you find a category budget is too restrictive or too generous, simply go back into that category and adjust the amount. The goal is to create a budget that works for you, not one that feels like a straitjacket. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.